Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add interactivity in Adobe XD. Alright, let's start. Okay guys, we are in this project. I already recorded a few videos of how you can design and create this project and put everything together in Adobe XD. I recommend you to review those one before you start this video. All right, if you want to add interactivity, first double check you are on the design view. I'm gonna zoom in, and for example, what I would like to do, I would like to add interactivity to all these menus. Okay, but just double check the menu and the text are a group. Okay, in that case, I am going to select this, then hold on the shift, select the other one. Okay, and then you can right click and you can select from the menu here group, or you can use the shortcut as well. Okay, then just review everything is a group. As soon as you have that, what I'm going to do, I am going to change to prototype. If you change there, what's going to happen is if I select, for example, not the home because we're already on the home here, I can select, for example, the about, and as soon as you select about, you will see this blue circle here that you can click and start dragging, and you can drag to the next page because, for example, this is the page about, if you see there on the top. Then release. Okay, what's going to happen on the preview mode, if I select here the play, okay, what's going to happen if I click on the about, click, you will go to that page. Can you see it's that simple of what you can do? We can add more stuff, but when you add that link to this page, one of the things that you can do, you can control, for example, what is the trigger. Here the trigger by default is tab, okay, or you can drag, also you can press keys, even you control with your voice. You see, it's pretty cool the different things that you have there. And then what happened with the action, the type is going to be a transition, animation, overlay. There are very different ones, and we are going to review a few ones. Then what I have to do, I have to select here gallery, and I have to do the same. I'm gonna zoom out until I can see the gallery that is here. I'm gonna go to the first page of the gallery. I'm gonna click and drag, and I'm gonna go to this page. Then it's difficult to select the next one. You can just deselect, click there, okay, and this, the next one is media. I can zoom out, and I know media is there, and I'm gonna drag and drop again to media. One of the things that also you can do, if you want, you can put in two lines, okay, all the pages. What I'm trying to say is, for example, here I can move the contact page. Okay, I'm gonna move here and this one here, but maybe it's more comfortable for you start dragging from here. Then I'm gonna select the contact. Okay, and the contact is this one, and I'm gonna go to this page. You see, that is what you have to do page by page. And also you can add a few things with interactivity on the same page. For example, let me put this page in 100% or around. I'm gonna put here on the top right, you can put in 100%. And here is, this is the way that the page gonna looks like in your browser. Okay, and then for example, if I start scrolling, I can add more interactivity to these guys also. Let's say you are all the way down on the bottom and you want to click that typical link that will go to all the way to the top. What I can do, I am going back to the design, and I am going to select, for example, this triangle, and I'm gonna click, for example, here, and I'm gonna create something pretty small. You can change the color. I can put the fill, for example, with the same color of the background, and then I can add a little of text. I'm gonna select my type tool, and then you can see there top is there. I'm gonna move like this, and then I'm gonna group it, and probably I'm gonna use this element pretty often. In that case, if you want, you can do here, you go to your component, and I can add that as a component that is there. Okay, and here this one I would like to link with the top of the page. Okay, in that case I can go to the prototype. You can see it's selected, and I can drag and drop. I'm gonna drop all the way down to the icon of the Cool Cafe website. Okay, and what's gonna happen is this. I'm gonna play. All right, and here I can go to the other pages if I want, but first I'm gonna scroll down all the way down, and if I click here, click, you will go back there. You can see it's pretty cool. And then I can go to the other pages. See, that is the idea how you can add interactivity. But let me show you another type of interactivity that you can add as well. All right, first, what if I want to click here, Contact Us, but I don't want to go to the Contact Us page. What I would like to do, I would like to see a contact form right on this page, like a pop-up or an overlay. In that case, I'm using this contact form. The only thing, the size of the contact form, trying to create something that match with no more than the size that you can see you start scrolling. If I go back to the design, if you click on the name of the page, you can see here the viewport height. This is what happened here. You are going to see just 800 pixels. When I click here on preview, you can see up to here. All right. In that case, what I recommend you to do to create this contact form no more than 800, because in that case, it's going to help you to position that overlay over the page. You don't have to scroll. Okay. I'm going to reduce maybe this one like this. I'm going to move the send a little up, maybe like this, and then I'm going to reduce this until I have a little less than 800, maybe 789, just something like that. It's not bad. All right, and now what is the idea? I'm going to scroll here, and if I click on Contact Us, I have to go back to Prototype, of course. And if I click in Contact Us, what's going to happen? I can click and drag. You will go to Contact Us, let it go. All right, but the only thing here, what you have to do here, in the transition, you have to select Overlay. And when you select Overlay, you can see this green big rectangle that you can move to any part, and this is the position that you will see the overlay, the contact form. Okay, if I test, okay, look at what happened. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click here, click, and you can see the contact form is there. You see, it's looking good. It's looking good. It's pretty cool what you can add as an interactivity. Okay. All right, then I'm gonna add, for example, more interactivity. Let's talk about, for example, here on the media gallery. You know, you can add more connection to all the other pages with the menu, but I would like to talk about this gallery. What happened with this gallery? If you click on this picture, the idea is to go to this page, all right? But instead to go to that page, gonna look like you have a gallery that you can go through the different images. You see, if you tap there or if you click there, you will see this image. If you click there, you will see the other image, and so on. In that case, on the first page, I don't have to do anything. On the second page, I am going to drag and drop to this one, but look at the dashed line. Okay, what happened with the dashed line? Since the last time you put overlay, okay, it's recognizing that you want overlay again. Go back to transition, guys. Okay, and that is what you have to do. All right, and then the third one goes all the way here to the right. Okay, in this one, this guy go to the left. This one go to the right, and the same thing on the last one. This go to the first one, and this go to the second one. All right, let's take a look. If I click there, if I preview, okay, I can scroll down, but look at what's gonna happen. Click. You can see it's going to the page, but it's going to the page to the top. All right, how we can fix that? What I'm talking about is this, guys. You can see you have to scroll down. It's almost touching the word gallery. And if I click here, for example, on the third picture, it's not going to the same position of the scroll. And I would like the same position. What you have to do, I'm going to select the first one here. Okay, you can see here, preserve scroll position. That is the thing that you have to click there, guys, in order to preserve the same position of the scroll if you click on any of this link. Okay, I'm going to put on the other one. Give me just a few seconds to put in all those ones just to test. All right, then select the first page. I'm going to hit play. Okay, I can scroll down like this, and I can click here, and you have the same scroll position, and looks pretty cool. Okay, and the other one that I would like to do, I'm gonna go here to the last page. Okay, and this is going to be like a contact form. Okay, and the idea when you have a contact form, it's gonna look pretty nice if you click send, and then you go to this page. I'm gonna drag and drop to this page. Okay, and what's gonna happen here when you click there, we'll go to the thank you page. Can you see? That is the idea. Let's take a look how this looks like. I'm gonna hit play here and start scrolling. Okay, like this, and you click send. Okay, now you can see the picture is not blurry. You can see, and it's looking pretty cool. If you want, you can share. Okay, as soon as you finish the project. I didn't finish all the different links, but it's just to show you the idea. Then, guys, you have to link all the pages and all the links and the menus. All right, but here you can share. And one of the things that you can do here, you can create a link. I'm gonna select here, create link. Okay, and then what's gonna happen, you will have a link that you can share with your client. Okay, and that is pretty cool. For example, here is the link. I can click there and I'm going to open, and this is a real link that you can send to your client. And gonna happen, they can preview how this gonna looks like. Okay, you see they can start scrolling, they can click. This is a real link. This is Chrome. And also they can take note, they can make comments here. For example, if they want to change something, for example, they can place a pin. Let's say I'm gonna put a pin here and they can put a comment there. I know, like a please change this, just to put something there. Okay, and then you can submit and you will receive those comments. You can see it's a pretty cool collaboration that you can have with your client. Okay, you see this is the basic part, guys, of how you can add interactivity and how you can share with others. On the next video, we're going to see more advanced stuff in Adobe XD. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. See you on the next one. Bye.